What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Trading Crypto. Today we're going to go over Jasmy coin, which is up 6.7%. We're above that 1.7 support area, which is fantastic. I love to see that. We'll go over that importance of the 1.7 cents area. We've gone over it pretty much every video. We're creeping up in that $1 billion market cap. That's going to be the area that we really want to overtake. You want to break that $1 billion market cap resistance area, which I do think we'll probably find some resistance once we get up to the upper 900 million area. But nonetheless, the whole crypto market is starting to move up higher. And with that, Jasmy is going to follow suit. 48 billion coins in circulation out of 50. All-time high is 479. All-time low is 002. You're up 5.6x if you would have bought it 2 years ago. Everybody knows Jasmy is pretty much available anywhere and everywhere. So if you want it, you can find it somewhere. So with that, let's get into the price prediction and technical analysis on Jasmy. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into Jasmy here. We had this downtrend drawn last video saying, hey, we need to overtake it and find support at that 1.5, which is exactly what happened. On top of that, we broke above the what is this, the 382? Yeah, the 382 area in the lifelong fib. So we are officially bullish on Jasmy, guys. We actually broke out of our downtrend that we've been in since December 2024. So the entire 2025, this is the downtrend right here. We just completed breaking out of that. We broke out, confirmed that it was a breakout, and now we're gearing up to rock and roll. And we kind of have the indicators to validate that movement up higher. We have the stock RSI, which is absolutely ripping right now at the bottom, which we had this line drawn here that will probably be where the stock RSI bottomed, and that's what happened. A lot more room to run to the upside. Normally, when you touch the bottom, you go all the way back up to the top every time we touch it. So gear up. It does look like we are going to be continuing this run here on Jasmy. The RSI is looking good too. What I don't want to see the RSI do is get a triple top right here at 64. I don't think that's going to be the case though. However, if we draw a top there's going to be a slight resistance around the 62, but I'm not too concerned about that. Stock RSI is looking solid. The nice V-shaped bottom, and the MACD, another indicator here. Actually, I think it just flipped bullish. Let's see. Oh, yeah, slight green candle here. So we actually just flipped bullish here, which means the blue is slightly over the orange. So I'd be gearing up, guys. It does look like Jasmy might continue this run, which the next main resistance area is up here at 5 cents. But if we draw the short-term fib area on Jasmy from the high to the low right here, our next resistance area is about 2.8. So we're at 1.8. We're above the 382. I think this run continues. I think our next critical resistance area is going to be about that 2.5 to 3 cents area, which is about a 50% gain from where we're currently at, guys. So I do think Jasmy is gearing up for that move. And like we mentioned prior, all the videos that we maybe did a ton of videos on this, is the giant cup and handle pattern playing out here in the lifelong chart of Jasmy, guys, here on Coinbase. So I'd be getting ready for that, man. Get ready. We've gone over it so many times. And if you don't know what a cup and handle pattern is, just go to Google and type it in, and you'll see why we're so excited about it. But the indicators on the day chart are looking really good. We've gone over the week chart because that's pretty much all I'm looking at for my coins, and everyone knows I am holding Jasmy. Week chart's looking fantastic. I think the week chart, ooh, we're almost there. We're almost there. It's gearing up for that crossover, guys. It's gearing up for that crossover. It's only ever been bearish on the MACD once, and that was back in from June 24 to November 24, so almost half a year. And we're kind of finishing that up from January 25 to May of 25 here. And once the weekly flips bullish, that's usually when we start rocking and rolling and seeing some very, very large movements for Jasmy. So overall, the long-term indicators are looking good. If you're a short-term swing trader, we can take a look at the 4-hour for you. The 4 hours is a little tight right now. The 4 hours a little high. We're flashing. Hey, might be a good time to take some profit here if you're a swing trader. The MACD is actually losing its bullish momentum here. The stock RSI is topping out, the WTX is topping out, and the stock RSI is starting to free fall. So in the short term, I would expect some volatility. But if you're just a holder, the day chart and the week chart are where it's at. That's where it's at. So worst case scenario, what I see is maybe we wick down to the 786, and then from there on out we start rallying much higher. But in the next coming week or so, we should be taking off. We did break out of that 2025 downtrend that we've pretty much been in forever. We did officially break out of that, which is huge. If you don't take anything away from this video, at least take that away, that on long terms, the day and the week and everything like that, Jasmy looks like it's getting ready to rock and roll. So you long-term holders, congratulations, because things are about to get fun. For you swing traders, best of luck to you. So with that, none of this is financial advice. And if there's any coins you'd like me to chart, you can just send me a super chat in the comments and I'll get to your coin as soon as possible. Thank you.